Guys, it's Jaeger Gamer here with my friend Bryson. He's sleeping over.
Bryson, listen to this.
Here's Alex. Alex is playing GTA.
Are you
Here you go, Bryson.
GTA.
GTA, boys. Da 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 da.
Wait, what? No, get in.
I'll show you.
No, I can't do it. Oh, God.
GTA 5 funny moments. And to prove what my friend said, that it's the middle of the night. Boom, right there. Wait, I didn't get it really good. You see that? That's night out there. I swear that's night out there to you guys. There's some nice night out there. Nice dark as heck.
What are you doing in my bed?
I wasn't going in the bed. I was doing the
Better not be videotaping shit.
There you go.
Oh my God.
Alright, we are back here, my Jaeger gamers.
Yeah.
Why did you just... He just looked at me stalkeredly. You just did it again. I swear you keep on doing that.
What?
What? Oh my God, you're creepy.
What?
It looks like the TV is like in the middle of nowhere, kinda. Those eyes. Okay, that's creepy.
I can't turn.
Look. I actually hit him in the face. Ow! He just hit me. Oh, I'm so sorry. He punched me in the balls. I went like this. I'm so sorry. You. End the video. You